Now come on next letter, that is capital U. U. This is U. This is capital U. And this is small u. Capital U, small u. Capital U, small u. And U is for class umbrella. U is for umbrella. Umbrella means class chhata. So U for umbrella. U for umbrella. And U for empire. U for empire. And U is for uniform. Class we wear uniform to go to the school. जब स्कूल जाते हैं तो हम क्या पहनते हैं? यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं. School uniform. U is for uniform. And U is for unicorn. U is for unicorn class. U is for unicorn. And U is for yawn. U is for yawn. Come on, next letter, that is V. V, C class. This is a capital V. This is capital V. This is capital V. So, capital V. This is capital V. And this is small v. This is small v. Capital V, small v, and V is for violin. V is for violin. V is for violin. Yes, class. V is for van. V is for van. And V is for vase. V is for vulture. V is for vulture. And V is for village. Class, V is for village. Village means gaon. V for village. Come on, our next letter, that is W. This is capital W and this is small w. Capital W, small w. Class, W for watermelon. Class, do you know watermelon is red inside and green outside. जो watermelon होता है वो red होता है अंदर से और green होता है बाहर से. ओके, so W for watermelon. W for watermelon. V for W for water. W for water. W for whale. W for water. W for watermelon. W for whale. W for walrus. W for walrus. Yes. And W for watch, class. We wear watch. See, ma'am is wearing watch now. W for watch. Yes, come on, next letter, that is X. Is X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. This is capital S and this is small x. Capital X, small x. And X for X-ray. X for X-ray. And X for class. Yes. Yes. X for xylophone. Class, this is a picture of a xylophone. And X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. And X for Xmas pie. X for Xmas pie. X for xylophone. X for Xmas tree. And X for Xmas pie. Now, come on. Next letter, that is Y. This is capital Y. This is capital Y. Class, draw with me and speak with me. This is Y. Y is for yo-yo. We play with yo-yo. We play with yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. This is capital Y and this is small y. And हम क्या करते हैं? यो-यो से प्ले करते हैं, खेलते हैं. Y is for yacht, Y is for yacht, and Y is for yak. Y is for yak. Y is for yarn, Y is for yarn. Come on our next letter. Come on our last letter, that is Z. That is Z. So this is capital Z and this is small z. Capital Z, small z. Z is for zip. Z is for zip. Z is for zip. And Z is for zoo. Class, many animals lives in a zoo. Zoo, okay? Z is for zoo. Z is for class zigzag. Z is for zigzag. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra.